Elenos is a world leader company in the production, projection, and creation of FM transmitters into solid state for radio stations, compact and modular FM transmitters from 100 watts to 30 kilowatts. This year, let me proudly say, Elenos will be 30 years old. On these 30 years, Elenos has supplied dozens of thousands of transmitters to every part of the world. It has helped create, develop, and promoted millions and millions of radio stations. This is the ET3500. It is Elenos' cutting-edge product, the one we had projected for 2006. It is the result of great efforts within the project. There are several patents on this product, and most of Elenos' production is based on this product, which ranges from 3,500 kilowatts to 60 kilowatts. It has exceptional benefits and possesses compact dimensions. It can also be used in combined systems satisfactorily. In our FM transmitters, we have done pretty much the same improvements that have been carried out on cellular phones or computers, where in time dimensions have been reduced, but reliability and useful life of the product have been enhanced, improved, and extended. We have studied and patented an RF modules combination system that was not available in the market, that was not even available in the technical literature. There was another effort, another creation, which was the equipment's thermodynamics. We had to develop and test a heat dissipation system, a heat elimination system that has actually allowed us to reach powers this high in volumes this small. Another great effort was the feeding level. We have feeders with a very high power density, which has also allowed us to reach the dimensions we have here. Another great creation was the excellent design. We have patented this design that foresees the disposition of the electronic variations of the control on one side. This has allowed us to have a very complex, clean design, which is extremely easy to manipulate during the maintenance and repair operations. And, above all, it reduces the transmitter to incredible dimensions. The software that runs the machine allows to perform a series of automatic operations, which guarantees the plant's survival and operating capacity under extreme environmental conditions. We produce these machines with the highest reliability. We achieve this through very diverse ways. We adapt the cards with paintings and resins that are very resistant to humidity and salt, and we build them of stainless steel. We give special importance to the entire protection system of the equipment, protection against thunders, electric variations, and rust. Our machines oftentimes work with deteriorated antennas, damaged by the environment, and I mean by truly tough environmental conditions. We have a complete set of temperature sensors that continuously monitor the temperature in the RF zone of the feeders. Additionally, it administers the fan speed according to how much cooling is needed at any given time. The fans are fueled during the most critical moments to overcome the temperature peaks on a day-to-day basis. There could be moments where it might get even hotter. Consequently, on those cases, the machine manages to guarantee its operating capacity at very high environmental temperatures with automatic controls. This is a 30 kilowatt transmitter. As you can see, it has been designed with two cabinets, and there are 5 amplifiers of 3 kilowatts lodged into each cabinet. In the combination system of the two cabinets, there are the balancing loads that we have here, and also 2 transmitters of dual management. Also, here are all components used for control and administration of the machine. Here at Elenos, we make our best effort in the end, when quality control is performed. We always perform extreme tests on the machines. We examine every equipment under extreme temperature situations, with raws and with great variations of electric tension. We do short-circuit experiments on the antennas and also all the tests that'll guarantee us that once we install a transmitter in a station, it should work for at least 10 years without having any problems. This equipment is extremely easy to attach to the broadcasting system. You only need to connect the RF exit to the antenna cable. Then connect the equipment to the network terminal, adapt the pilot to the RF entrance, and finally plug in the telemetry and remote control devices and accessories to the ports. As for the maintenance of the equipment, the ET3500 allows you to easily perform any type of repair. Actually, this is where you access the entire controlling electronics. Simply open it and take down this wall. On this side, by removing the lid, you can easily reach all the zones where the fittings are. Also, by removing the lower lid from the back, you can get direct access to the RF area. As you see, this is an extremely light equipment, very easy to move, to put together, to repair and to install even by one person. This is the solar panel feeding station. It can be made with 1 or 2 units, and it is enough to feed a transmitter that can be lodged in the interior of this box to take the signal of the radio stations even to areas that do not have electric power. These are the mini-mobile units that can lodge the radio transmitters capable of taking the signal to areas of difficult access by mechanical means. These mini-mobile units allow total autonomy from the atmospheric agent's viewpoint. There is an entire feeders and transmitters system that, as you can see, are very easy to take apart, are manageable, and easy to install even with personnel who's not necessarily qualified. Sponsored by 305 Broadcast. Voiceover by Audio Studio.